In nomine Patris, et Filii, et Spiritus Sancti, ex habea creatura, hominus et tecum, aspergam te aqua santa.
En el nombre del Padre, del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo. ¡Ay, santísima! Tranquilo, gatito. Señor, míralo, calma su espíritu. Eso es.
Oh, hiciste la pared. Didn't think it was that powerful.
Lord, cleanse this creature of all darkness and restore it to peace. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. May you be made whole.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. By this water be cleansed and made whole. Lord, drive out all darkness from this creature.
And a little blessing for you too, my friend. Oh, easy there. Goodness, you're full of the Spirit now, aren't you? Bless your little heart.